Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday and I am here with Facts Friday with the next part of Booker Prize British Library Award Part 2. So in the last video we already learnt about the history, how did it start, what was its name and everything. If you haven't seen the video, please go back and see the video. Further, the award was administered by the Book Trust until 2002 when oversight passed to the Mann Group plc, an investment management firm. The well-known recipient of the prize includes V.S. Naipaul, Nadine Gordimer, Ruth Pravar Javwala, Irish Mudroch, J.M. Sedzi, A.S. Batt, Kingsley Amis, Penelope Lively, Ben Okri, Michael Ondaatje, Ian McEwan, Peter Carey, Kiran Desai, and Hilary Mantel. So these are the recipients उस साल में. और ये अवार्ड किसके पास ऑन हुआ था आपका? कौन सा इन्वेस्टमेंट मैनेजमेंट फर्म था? मैन ग्रुप पीएलसी. Now, in 1992, the Booker Russian Novel Prize was set up to reward the contemporary Russian authors, to stimulate wider knowledge of modern Russian fiction, and to encourage translation and publication of Russian fiction outside the Russia. तो रशिया से बाहर उनकी कल्चर, उनके थिंग्स को, उनके नॉलेज को ले जाने के लिए 1992 में बुकर रशियन नोवेल प्राइज़ लाया गया. The Russian prize was disassociated from the other Bookers in 1999. अलग कर दिया गया था. After which sponsorship was provided by several Russian companies. फिर रशिया की कंपनी सामने आई उसको सपोर्ट करने के लिए. Now, the biennial Man Booker International Prize was established in 2005 as a Lifetime Achievement Award. From 2016, it was awarded annually to the writer of a novel or short story collection in English translation. The annual Man Asian Prize was established in 2007. The Man Group announced in 2012 that it was withdrawing its sponsorship of the prize. सो बाइनियल मैन बुकर अवार्ड कब आया? 2005 में आया. 2016 में ये एनुअली देने लगा इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेटेड को ही, नॉवेल को या फिर शॉर्ट स्टोरी को. बट 2012 में इसका विड्रॉर हो गया था स्पॉन्सरशिप का. सो आगे की कहानी नेक्स्ट पार्ट में. टिल दैट, इफ यू लाइक द वीडियो, प्लीज हिट द लाइक बटन, शेयर इट, एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. I'll again come out. Till that, take care. Bye bye.